So we'll start here with Bitcoin. We're on the daily. We're on Binance here, and what I've done is, like when you go to Binance, like you have the original view and then you have the trading view. So I go to the trading view here, and then if you go up here, you'll see there's a little button that says technical indicator, and the first one we're going to look at. Well, you click on that, and then you just search for Bollinger Bands, and you just pick the first one, and you don't need to do anything. You don't need to adjust any settings or anything like that. And the Bollinger Bands, in my opinion, are the most useful and the easiest on any time frame. Whether you're going down to the 4 hour or the daily or the weekly or the monthly, zooming out all the way to the monthly. The Bollinger Band moving average, I think, is really helpful, and of course we'll start just zooming out from the monthly just to explain why. So as you guys can see, like the Bollinger Band moving average has been a very key zone, or I guess a very important zone, a very important level that Bitcoin's kind of respected throughout this whole bull market. And you could say that if Bitcoin is above the Bollinger Band moving average on the monthly, then it's in a bull market. If it's below, then it's in a bear market. It's like a very nice line that tells you like, oh, I can see, like very clearly this was the bear market, that was the previous bull market, this is the current bull market, right? And so long as Bitcoin is above this level, then Bitcoin is in a bull market. At least that's the way that I see it. And I mean, because that's what it looks like historically, right? And then zooming into the weekly, we can see like, okay, well, right now Bitcoin is below the Bollinger Band moving average on the weekly, and we can see that's something that tends to happen when there's like a short-term correction, like what we saw over last summer. We saw a temporary fall below the Bollinger Band moving average, or just like chopping around there on the weekly. Sorry for Bitcoin.